They have given us the 4 vertices of a parallelogram. Okay. The only problem is one of them has y and one of them has x. So we need to find out the value of x and y. Okay. पहली बात तो let me draw a parallelogram. And जब भी आप लोग बनाएं, please take care that D should be written in cyclic manner only. जिस manner में दिया हुआ है उसकी cycle में लिखना. A 1 2, B would be 4y, C would be x 6, and D would be 3 and 5. Okay. Now, can somebody tell me what are the properties of the diagonals of a parallelogram? कौन बताएगा?
Opposite sides are parallel.
Diagonal बेटा, diagonal.
Sir, opposite sides are parallel.
I'm talking about the diagonals. Diagonals की क्या property होती है?
Diagonals bisect.
Bisect each other. That is, O. अगर मैं if I take A and C as the 2 points, O is the midpoint, right? Similarly, if I take B and D as the 2 points, again O is the midpoint. So the line joining BD or AC, O is always the midpoint of both of them, right? अब एक चीज समझो. In the first case, if I take AC and O is the midpoint, 1 plus X would be again equal to, मेरे पास 2 variables आ जाएंगे, मैं find नहीं कर पाऊंगा because I do not have 2 equations, right? So if I take just join BD, I can find X for this. ये O का X find कर सकता हूं मैं? कर सकता हूं कि नहीं कर सकता हूं? समझ में आ रही है चीज? O is the midpoint. So इस X को मैं find कर सकता हूं. I can write X as 4 plus 3 upon 2. ठीक है? So this comes out to be what? 7 by 2, right?
और y वैसे निकाल लेते हैं.
हाँ, y वैसे निकाल लेंगे.
6 plus 2 upon.
हाँ, very good. Y वैसे निकाल लेंगे. Y would be
4.
6 plus 2 upon 2, that is 4. So y comes out to be 4, right? So now that I have these two, I can find out x and y in this case. कैसे? X would be equal to what? X would be equal to, इसको x1 y1 कर देते हैं just to do away with the confusion. ठीक है? x1 और y1 लिख लेते हैं. So this x would be equal to, sorry, now I can write it as x1 is equal to 1 plus x upon 2, because x1 was the midpoint. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? है ना? तो मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं? 7 by 2 equals to 1 plus x by 2. इसी तरह y1 को क्या लिख सकता हूं? y1 would be equal to 5 plus y upon 2, or in place of y1 I can write it as 4 equals to 5 plus y upon 2. समझ में आ गया ना?